Asus ROG Phone 3. The Asus ROG Phone 2 was a massive success thanks to its various specs and features, but most importantly, the price in India. The follow-up to the ROG Phone 2 is the new ROG Phone 3. Powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 Plus, the phone comes with a 6.6-inch 120Hz AMOLED display offering a resolution of 1080 by 2340 pixels. The device offers 8GB of RAM and 256GB of internal memory and runs on Android 10. The smartphone comes with a 4.8MP plus 1.3MP plus 8MP setup on the rear and a 2.4MP selfie camera. The battery has been upgraded to a 6100 mAh cell and comes with dual Type-C ports on the bottom and side for charging. And thankfully, the phone still has a 3.5mm headphone jack, as that is something all gaming enthusiasts love. Asus ROG Phone 3 price. The Asus ROG Phone 3 price is expected to be $738, ₹52,999. The Asus ROG Phone 3 launch is scheduled for June 2020. The 8GB 256GB variant is expected to be priced at around Rs. 52,999 and will only be available in one color design variant. Asus ROG Phone 3 details. 120Hz display, Gorilla Glass 6. The display is one of the highlights of the ROG Phone 3. The stunning 6.6-inch AMOLED display has a 240Hz touch sensor refresh rate and a refresh rate of 120Hz and features Gorilla Glass 6 for protection against scratches. The screen has a density of 391 pixels per inch and a resolution of 1080 by 2340 pixels and is HDR10 certified. Asus continues the tradition of avoiding any notches or punch holes for the front camera and keeps the front camera on the top bezel. 855 plus processor, triple camera, ROG UI. Driving all this gaming awesomeness is the ROG Phone 3's Snapdragon 855 plus processor with an Adreno 640 GPU handling all the graphics. The phone packs 8GB of RAM and 256GB of storage and runs on ROG UI, the lightweight custom Android ROM by Asus. As for cameras, you now get a triple lens setup on the back. You have a primary 4.8MP camera paired with a 1.3MP wide lens, as well as an 8MP depth sensor. For selfies, the phone offers a 2.4MP front camera. 6100 mAh battery with 30W fast charging connectivity. The battery capacity has always been a strong point of the ROG Phone series. The ROG Phone 3 too features a massive 6100 mAh battery with 30W fast charging. Connectivity options include Bluetooth 5.0, Wi-Fi 802.11a, B per gram, N, AC, AD, dual-band Wi-Fi support, and a GPS. You get aptX HD support for audio and dual amplifiers. For more update, like, subscribe and share this video.